Hello student, welcome to today's chemistry lecture aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Now student, this one is the most important topic out of our syllabus. There are 5 marks for each topics. So today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So student, aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are the carbonyl compounds. What are carbonyl compounds? Now, what is the meaning of carbonyl compounds? Now, aldehydes, ketones and the aldehydes and ketones are the carbonyl compounds. So, what is the meaning of carbonyl compounds? Now, those compound which contains a carbonyl group, ज्याच्यामध्ये carbonyl groups असतात. Those compound which contains the carbonyl group, that compounds are called the carbonyl compounds. असे कंपाऊंड की ज्याच्यामध्ये कार्बोनिल ग्रुप असतात. अगेन क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, what is the carbonyl group? Now a carbonyl group is like that: C double bond O, here two valencies are free. This group is called as the carbonyl group, in which the hybridization state of carbon is sp2 hybridized. This one is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, and this carbon is a carbonyl carbon. This one is the carbonyl carbon. That oxygen is a carbonyl oxygen. This one is the carbonyl oxygen. Now, this group is called as the carbonyl group. So, what is the definition? A group like that, which consists of, or a group in which carbonyl carbon is attached to the oxygen atom by double bond, and the remaining valencies of this carbon are free. That group is known as the carbonyl group. कार्बोनिल ग्रुप कशाला म्हटलंय की असा कार्बन की जो ऑक्सिजनला डबल बॉन्डने अटॅच असेल आणि त्याच्या दोन व्हॅलन्सीज ह्या फ्री असतील. दॅट ग्रुप इज नोन ॲज द कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. सो नेक्स्ट we will see the classification of carbonyl group. Generally, these carbonyl groups are classified into main three types. First one is the compound in which two valencies of carbonyl compound, in which first valency or the one valency of carbon always satisfied by the hydrogen. So like that, this one is the carbon, double bond oxygen, one valency of carbon always satisfied by the hydrogen. Second valency of carbonyl group always satisfied by the aldehyde. So this one is the alkyl group. So this one is the aldehyde. What is this one is the aldehyde. Next one, the free valencies of carbonyl carbon are satisfied by the alkyl group, R C double bond O R dash. Is it? This alkyl group may be same or different. So this one is the ketones. Okay. Next one valency of carbonyl group satisfied by the hydroxyl group and remaining one the alkyl group. This one is called as the carboxylic acid. It is called the carboxylic acid. याला काय म्हटलं जातं बघा, carboxylic acid. So these are the main three compounds of the carbonyl group, or the group functional group which contains the carbonyl group. First one is the aldehyde, ketones and the carboxylic acid, and that chapter will be discussed here. Now this carboxylic acid, it is again classified or the again substituted acid like ester, acyl group, acetamiide, etc. These are again classified. But in this chapter we will discuss only aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid details. So first of all, we see what is the meaning of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Then we will see the classification of carboxylic acid. Next one here, classification of aldehydes. Before we start the classification of aldehydes, first of all we discuss the aldehydes. First of all, we discuss the aldehydes. Now students, we know when on primary alcohol on oxidation, it gives aldehyde, then further oxidation, it gives the carboxylic acid. When the primary alcohol on oxidation, it gives, by using the oxidizing agent, it gives aldehyde. Then it further oxidize into carboxylic acid. याचं पुन्हा ऑक्सिडेशन झालं तर आपल्याला काय मिळतं? कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड. ओके, सो aldehyde is the first oxidative product of primary alcohol. Aldehyde is the first oxidative product of primary alcohol. aldehyde म्हणजे काय सांगता येईल या ठिकाणी? फर्स्ट ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल. प्रायमरी अल्कोहोलचा हा काय आहे तर पहिला ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह प्रोडक्ट आहे. इट इज रिप्रेझेंटेड ॲज लाईक डॅश CHO or C double bond OH. This one is the functional group of aldehyde. It is called as the formyl group. It is called as the formyl group or aldehydic group. Or aldehydic group. Which group? Dash CHO is the formyl group or the aldehydic group. This formyl group or the aldehydic group, it is always present at the terminal of the chain. हा जो काही ग्रुप आहे तो स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये नेहमी कुठं असतो? टर्मिनलच्या बाजूला असतो, कारण नेहमी त्याची एक वॅलन्सी ही हायड्रोजनने सॅटिस्फाय केलेली असते. सो दिस वन इज अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ aldehydes. Okay, then next one we will see the classification of aldehydes in details. Next one, classification of aldehydes. Now these aldehydes are mainly classified into two types. First one, aliphatic aldehyde. Second one, aromatic aldehydes. aldehyde चे एकूण दोन टाइप्स आहेत. First one is the aliphatic aldehydes. Second one is the aromatic aldehydes. Okay, this one is the aliphatic aldehyde. Second one is the aromatic aldehydes. What is the meaning of aliphatic aldehydes? Now, aliphatic aldehydes are those aldehydes in which formyl group or the aldehydic group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is saturated carbon atoms. This one is called as the aliphatic aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehydes हे असे कंपाउंड्स आहेत की ज्याच्यामध्ये फॉर्मिल ग्रुप किंवा अल्डिहाइडिक ग्रुप हा डायरेक्टली sp3 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बनला म्हणजेच सॅच्युरेटेड कार्बनला या ठिकाणी कनेक्ट असतो, अल्किल ग्रुपला या ठिकाणी कनेक्ट असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, लेट्स सी द एक्झाम्पल, CH3 CHO acetaldehyde. Next one, CH3 CH2 CHO. It is again aliphatic aldehyde. Now HCHO. This one is again aliphatic aldehyde. Though the formyl group is not attached to the saturated carbon atom. That's why this one is the again aliphatic aldehyde and this one is the exceptional. हे काय आहे तर या ठिकाणी एक्सेप्शनल आहे, कारण ॲलिफॅटिक अल्डिहाइड कशाला म्हटले आपण की ज्याच्यामध्ये फॉर्मिल ग्रुप हा कशाला अटॅच झालेला पाहिजे, अल्किल ग्रुप्सला, पण या ठिकाणी तो कशाला अटॅच आहे, हायड्रोजनला. तरी सुद्धा तो काय आहे, ॲलिफॅटिक आहे, कारण हे काय आहे, एक्सेप्शनल या ठिकाणी आहे. ओके, सो दिस वन इज द ॲलिफॅटिक अल्डिहाइड. What is the meaning of aromatic aldehydes? Aromatic aldehydes. Now, aromatic aldehydes are those compounds in which formyl group or the aldehydic group, it is directly attached to the aromatic ring. So that one is called as the aromatic aldehyde. So it can be written like that. The example, CHO, benzaldehyde. Next one example, here CHO. So these are the aromatic aldehydes. So this aldehyde is represented as R C double bond OH. This one is the general formula of aldehyde. R may be, this R may be alkyl group, aryl group or hydrogen. R may be काय असू शकतात, अल्किल ग्रुप असू शकतात, अरिल ग्रुप असू शकतात किंवा हायड्रोजन असू शकतात. सो दिस वन इज द जनरल फॉर्म्युला ऑफ अल्डिहाइड. व्हॉट इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप? डॅश C double bond OH. This one is the functional group of aldehyde. Okay, so this one is the classification of aldehydes and the remaining and the introduction to aldehydes. So next one, ketones. Next one we will see the ketones. Now ketones, it is again the oxidation of, it is the oxidation of secondary alcohol. We will see the example here. Oxidation of secondary alcohol, like that. If we oxidize the secondary alcohol, it gives the ketones. Oxidation of ketones. And on ketones, it gives the oxidation of ketones, it gives the carboxylic acid. So the ketones is the first oxidative product of, it is the first oxidative product of secondary alcohol. Ketones is the secondary alcohol चा हा काय आहे तर first oxidative product आहे. So this ketones, it is always present in the middle of the chain, because in the ketones 2 valencies of carbon is satisfied by the alkyl group. So its a formula is like that. This one is the carbonyl group. Okay, and these 2 free valencies are satisfied by the alkyl group. These alkyl groups may be same or different. So the functional group of ketone is like that. So this one is the functional group of ketone, and it is always present at the chain of the structure. स्ट्रक्चरच्या चेनमध्ये तो कुठं असतो, नेहमी मिडलला असतो. जसं की आपण म्हटलं अल्डिहाइड कुठं असतो, टर्मिनलला, तर केटोन हा कुठं असतो तर मिडलला असतो. ओके, देन वी विल सी द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ केटोन्स. Classification of ketones. Now ketones are classified into main 2 types. Again, first one is the, this ketone is again classified into 2 types. First one is the aliphatic ketones and second one is the aromatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones. Second one, aromatic ketones. Okay, aliphatic ketones means in which ketonic group or the keto group is joined to or attached to the 2 alkyl group or the saturated कार्बन ॲटम्स. जो काय अटॅच झालेला असतो तो कशाला असतो, अल्किल ग्रुपला कनेक्ट झालेला असतो. सो दिस ॲलिफॅटिक केटोन्स अगेन क्लासिफाईड इंटू 2 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज द सिम्पल केटोन, सेकंड वन इज द मिक्स केटोन. फर्स्ट वन इज द simple ketone, or it is also called as the symmetrical ketones, and second one is the mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. Okay, now simple ketones means those ketones in which alkyl group attached to the carbonyl group or the keto group are same. That is called the simple ketones. म्हणजे काय म्हटलं आपण, केटोनचं स्ट्रक्चर अशा पद्धतीचं असतं, R C double bond O R dash. R and R dash may be same or unequal. When these R and R dash are same, so this one is the simple ketones. When this R and R dash are different, this one is the unsymmetrical ketone. So what is the example? So this keto group, so the two valencies of this keto carbonyl carbon is satisfied by the two same alkyl groups, like that CH3, CH3. So what is the name of compound? Dimethyl ketone. Second example, C2H5, C double bond O, C2H5. Okay, mixed ketone means those ketone in which two alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon are different. So that one example is the CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. Now in this example, one is methyl group, second one is ethyl group. So in this structure, two alkyl groups are different. So this one is the mix or the unsymmetrical ketones. Okay. The next, aromatic ketones. What is the definition of aromatic ketones? The name suggests that carbonyl carbon is attached to the aromatic ring. One valency of carbonyl carbon is satisfied by the aromatic ring, like that C6H5. or दुसरं एक्झाम्पल घेऊ शकतो आपण या ठिकाणी बघा. आपण अनसिमेट्रिकलचं किंवा ॲरोमॅटिक केटोनचं एक्झाम्पल घेऊया आपण. ॲरोमॅटिक केटोन्स. काय एक्झाम्पल घेता येईल सांगितलं आपण. दिस वन इज द ॲरोमॅटिक रिंग अटॅच टू द carbonyl carbon. Okay. Second one, aromatic ketone. C double bond O, C double bond O. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी कार्बोनिल कार्बनच्या दोन व्हॅलन्सीज ज्या काही आहेत ते एकामध्ये मिथिल ग्रुपनं आणि ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगने. तर केटो ग्रुप हा ज्यावेळी ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगला अटॅच असेल त्यावेळी आपण त्यांना काय म्हणणार आहोत, ॲरोमॅटिक ketones. So this one is the classification of ketones. Now student, here we will take examples of some compound. First of all, aldehyde, CH3 CHO. Second one, C2H5 CHO. Okay, here we take the example of ketones, CH3 C double bond O CH3. Second one, C2H5 C double bond O C2H5. Now here we calculate the molecular formula. What is the molecular formula of that example? How many carbon atoms? 2, C2. How many hydrogen atoms? H. 3 plus 1, 4. How many oxygen? 1. Here, how many carbon atoms? 2, 3, C3. Hydrogens 6, oxygen 1. Okay, so these are the two examples of aldehyde and this one is the molecular formula. So how will we write the general molecular formula for aldehyde? These are the examples for aldehydes. and these are the examples for ketones. हे कशासाठी घेतलेत आपण? केटोनसाठी. Okay. Now here C2H4 means here double the number of carbon atoms. Here again 3, 6 means double the number of carbon atoms. So here C6. How many hydrogen atoms? Sorry. Here C6 not. Here Cn. N stand for number of carbon atoms. Here 6 are double from the hydrogen. So C2 2N and oxygen. This one is the molecular formula for aldehyde. Now here see the ketones. What is the molecular formula for this structure? How many carbon atoms? 2. Hydrogen atoms 6. Oxygen 1. Okay. In this example, there are 4 carbons. How many hydrogens? 4 carbons. How many 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5 hydrogens here. How many hydrogens? 5 plus 5, 10 and 1 oxygen. So here formula C5H10O. So what is the general formula for these two compound? CnH2nO. So this one is the general formula for ketones. Okay. And this one is the general formula for aldehydes. Means here we can say that the molecular formulas are same but the different structure. So the aldehydes and ketones are the functional isomers of each other. What is this? Aldehydes and ketones are aldehydes and ketones are functional group isomerism. Functional group isomers or the isomerisms. Okay. Next, we will see the carboxylic acid. Third type is the carbonyl compound is the carboxylic acid. What is the structure of carboxylic acid? In case of a carbonyl compounds, the free valency of carbonyl compound is satisfied one by the hydroxyl group and second is satisfied by the alkyl groups. Okay. So this group is called as the carboxyl group. It is called as the carboxyl group. Okay. And it is always present at the terminal of the chain. This one is the carboxyl group and it is always present at the terminal of the chain. Then next we will see the classification of carboxylic acid. Classification आपल्याला या ठिकाणी पाहायचं आहे. Depending upon the number of carboxylic acid group present in this, it is also classified into many types. So first of all, this carboxylic acid, it is classified into two types. First one is the aliphatic acid. Second one is the aliphatic carboxylic acid. Okay. Next one, aromatic carboxylic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acid. Now here, aliphatic carboxylic acids are those acid or those compound in which carboxylic group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is saturated carbon atoms. So this one is called as the aliphatic carboxylic acid, की ज्याच्यामध्ये तो अल्किल ग्रुपला किंवा कार्बनला अटॅच असतो की ज्याचा हायब्रिडायझेशन हे sp3 असतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल CH3 COOH. Okay. Second one C2H5COOH. कार्बोनिल कार्बन हा अशा कार्बनला कनेक्ट आहे की ज्याचं हायब्रिडायझेशन हे काय असतं sp3 हायब्रिडाइज आहे. म्हणजे काय, सॅच्युरेटेड कार्बनला कनेक्ट आहे. सो दिस वन इज द ॲलिफॅटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. नाव स्टुडंट, HCOOH, it is again aliphatic carboxylic acid. This one is the exceptional. याच्यामध्ये कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप हा हायड्रोजनला अटॅच असून सुद्धा तो काय आहे म्हटलं आपण, ॲलिफॅटिक आहे. कारण काय आहे तर हे एक्सेप्शनल एक्झाम्पल आहे. ओके, नाव this aliphatic carboxylic acid is again classified into 3 types depending upon the number of carboxylic group present into the compound. त्या कंपाऊंडमध्ये किती कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप आहेत त्याच्यावरून पुन्हा त्याचं टाइप्स आहेत किंवा क्लासिफिकेशन आहे. सो फर्स्ट वन इज क्लासिफाईड इनटू, इट इज फर्स्ट वन मोनो कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड, सेकंड वन डाय मोनो कार्बोक्सिलिक, डाय कार्बोक्सिलिक अँड ट्राय कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. हे त्याचे 3 टाइप्स पडतात. मोनोचं आपण हे एक्झाम्पल घेतलं ॲसिटाल्डिहाइड, की ज्याच्यामध्ये एकच काय आहे कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप आहे. सो दिस वन इज द मोनो कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. सेकंड वन डाय कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड, CHOCOOH. It contains the 2 carboxylic acid, that's why it is called as the dicarboxylic acid. Second one tricarboxylic acid, CH2COOH, we will write the upper part. We will see the tricarboxylic acid. एक्झाम्पल काय सांगितलं आपण, सायट्रिक ॲसिड. व्हॉट इज द स्ट्रक्चर, CH2COOH, CHOCOOH, and last one is the CH2COOH. This one is the citric acid. It contains the 3 carboxylic group, that's why it is called as the tricarboxylic acid. Next one aromatic carboxylic acid. दुसरा टाइप बघितलेला आपण aromatic carboxylic acid. What is the aromatic carboxylic acid? Those compound in which carboxylic group is attached to the aromatic ring, COOH. This one is called as the aromatic carboxylic acids. Okay student, so this one is the part about classification of aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acid. So remaining part of this chapter will be discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.